Hello, sir. I've been into service. I booked my flight too.
Is that the YS?
Yeah, yeah.
Tuesday.
Yeah. Oh, Wednesday today.
Sorry, wrong week. YS 125. ISIS, is that your name?
Yeah, yeah. Asis. That's wrong.
ISIS.
Yeah. ASH.
ASH.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah. That. No. ASH.
Yep.
I.
Yeah.
Yes.
S.
Yeah. That's it.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Key.
Yeah.
Might help.
Do you know you guys sell the windshield for my motorbike?
A windshield, not in stock. No.
Oh yeah.
No. He's saying I'd have to order. I think they only do a little. Was yours broken then, or you not got one?
No. There is no windshield.
Oh, right.
The small one maybe there.
So you want a windshield?
Yeah, like a proper one, a long one.
A long one.
Yeah.
Don't know if you'll be able to get one. I'd have to have a look for you for you.
All right.
If you leave it with us, we'll have a look for you.
All right.
Okay, I will give you a phone call when it's all done.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. How long does it take?
Let me see if I've got anything on the ramp, or one of them on the ramp. I'll get the service up while we're yeah. It's going to be about a couple of hours.
Okay.
He's going to get it up now for you.
There's a full face helmet there. Lightweight. Still waiting. Helmet LS2.
Not the LS2, no.
Because this
No.
this helmet is very
No,
light.
we only do Viper. No.
Alright guys. I give him back to service, so that I'm going home like walking here. Nearly like 5 minutes to walk. I don't know how much they charge for full service in UK, yeah. I have no idea how much they charge for full service. So maybe I need to change today windshield something. Let's say windshield or tire for also maybe let's change my tire. If you have a budget, then I also change my two tires here. I don't know how much they cost for full service here. My budget is only 300 pound. So it's less than 300. I can change my tire and many more, yeah. That's the budget. Alright guys, so you know guys, like food delivery job, working on a motorbike, we have lots of expensive, maybe like, you know, you're going to be petrol per day, £5 to £10 if you're working on 12 hours per day. And guys, before I work on like e-bike, I use only yeah, I have like e-scooter Bhoja electric bike, and I work on electric bike nearly 2 years, yeah. And the bike still I have and still working. I bought a motorbike, then I switched to motorbike, yeah. But motorbike you can make more than like a e-bike. E-bike make like per hour maybe 12 to 14 pound, and you can make on motorbike like 16 to 20 pound per hour, and you can do like long seat, you know. But you know, like on e-bike you cannot do like per hour 3 orders, yeah, complete 2 or 3 orders complete. Also e-bike have one problem, you know, a range problem, because this battery gonna die 3 hours. After 3 hours your battery gonna die soon. So every maybe 3-4 hours you can work like low setting, you know, low pedal assist mode. But if you use like high pedal assist mode, you can work only like 2-3 hours and your battery gone, man. Here you go. This is my hometown GP, yeah. Alright guys, I'm going short cut, man. So going home right now. This is the way to my house, guys. After maybe 1-2 hours, the customer called me to pick my bike. So maybe he said to me like 1 to 2 hours for full service. So after service, maybe my bike gonna be running like a horse, yeah. Running like a horse. Okay guys. They are Nepalese. Yeah, mechanic. He's a mechanic, guys. Wonderful Nepalese mechanic, guys. Mustang garage. They are working on Mustang garage. Nice car, man. Nice vintage car. This is my helmet, guys. This is the one I use for like 7-8 months. I'm using this helmet, Captain America Jorex helmet. Yeah, this is my home area. So this area, lots of people are Nepalese people. Lots of Nepalese people live here, this area, because this area is nearby army barrack. There is a Gorkha army barrack, so lots of Nepalese people living here, yeah. It's good for us, a good community for Nepalese people there. Alright guys, my house is there. After 2 hours I need to pick my bike, and I want to tell you guys how much they charge me for full service. And anything to change, anything to fix my bike, I need to fix today, because my budget is 300. So under 300 I can fix everything, but more than 300 I can fix maybe less. Alright guys, I'm in now home. They called me after 3 hours to pick my bike, because my bike is ready. So this is my bike. Alright.
125 LC.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me talk about this. 1981 to 1984, 1985 to 1988. Can I have it all?
I give my bike to service today.
Yeah, I'll let someone look at it.
Yeah, already service, yeah. Already.
Yeah. The keys all together come to 100 as well, because you've got to go through sort of the headstock there, so you probably have to just take all that off. But yeah, it'll be about half hour.
Yeah. You know, I have like my brother have like Black Widow exhaust.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, if I fit the bike, how much they cost?
Let's have a look. 2 seconds.
It's
So
my,
what, have you got the exhaust?
yeah,
Or?
my brother have.
Yeah, you got it.
Black Widow is fit this one, yeah. Because my brother have empty.
You'll have
Want
to
to-
look on their website, because
Yeah.
they have a comparison thing on there.
I need to get a few jobs done as well, so I can get paid.
Probably about the same price, about another half hour. So all of it will be about an hour if you bring it all in at once.
You also sell in here. You also sell Black Widow exhaust here.
We can get them, but we can get them for the same price you can get them. So. But yeah, we can fit them. There was another thing. Your rear brake was seized as well.
If I fix this one, how much they charge? Your brakes.
The rear. Oh, I've done it.
You done it?
Yeah, I've done it in service.
Any problem with my bike? Anything to change to fix this one?
Rear tyre, you're going to need soon. But no, from that, the front pads are fine. And obviously the handlebars where you've had a crash. But the thing is, you can't straighten them because it'll weaken them. So the only way is just to get to new handlebars if you want new handlebars.
How much for handlebar? New handlebar?
I think it's on about 8,000. It's on about 8,000 now. So yeah, when you get to about 12,000, no, 13.5, 14,000, probably get it serviced again. Or depends how much you use.
Because I use also I go to Aspo to work every week. Nearly 150 mile I ride.
Yeah.
I also do food delivery. So
Yeah. All right. So on it all the
so
time.
many rides.
Yeah, just maybe every 6 months then, because you use it a lot. Or 5,000, whatever comes first.
Alright, after 2-3 weeks, I come back here to change my tire. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Well, yeah. Pop back. Yeah, pop back next week actually, because you're always on it. We'll check it again, see how it's going, and we can get your price. We can get one ordered. So then in 2 weeks we'll change it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah. Very smooth, yeah? It's very smooth now, guys. Before sounds like a kind of like I'm riding this after servicing. It's very smooth, man. Sounds also good, and it looks very smooth, yeah, guys. And guys, everything like they charge me like. They fixed my rear brake, so they charge me for full service, guys. After he working 3 hours for doing my bike per service, and after 3 hours they call me to pick my bike. And guys, how much they charge me in UK, guys? 110 pounds for this full service, this bike. So guys, this is Yamaha YS. So guys, full service cost in UK 110 pounds. So in Nepalese currency, maybe 16 to 17,000 rupees. So guys, yeah, in UK cost for full service more bike and 16 to 17,000 rupees. Yeah, guys. And guys, thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon on next video, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Ciao.